Today is
Sophia's birthday!
Party. August, what's today? August
30.
August 30th, 2008, and
she
Sophia's
got a
3 years old.
Aww, you! No, get out. Sophia, turn around. Look. They want to see your face. The camera wants to see you. Look.
She's too busy playing
Look at
with
her
her
hair.
toys.
Nice. Ah! Sophia, come.
Sophia, what did you get?
Cheese.
No, what did you get?
Your teeth.
Ponies,
Yeah, I did.
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh,
And I have a horse.
a horse, of course.
I ride a horse.
What does a gay horse say?
I ride a horse like.
Hey! See, Daddy, she wanted a horse to gallop. Aw, she just said. Yeah. I'm gonna sleep now. Go to sleep. Sophia, do you want to find me in the blankets?
All I can see is your hair, Sophia. Oh.